those who fought in the north and those who fought at Bastogne, because Bastogne gets all the press coverage. There's the siege, there's the relief by Patton's Armoured Division, there's the airdrops. It's all very, very dramatic. Actually, at the time of the siege, the number of Germans surrounding the defenders of Bastogne at no time exceeds the number of defenders. So the Germans are always outnumbered by those defending Bastogne. So when the German Corps commander issues his famous surrender note to the American commander, in Bastogne, please surrender. You will be responsible for all the deaths of all the civilians in Bastogne. We will absolutely pulverise you. What he's actually saying is, I need that town as much as you do, because I need it for all the roads through it. And McAuliffe understands that. And when this note comes directed to McAuliffe, he doesn't quite know how to respond. And he sits down, puts the paper down, exclaims, "Oh, nuts!" muses over it, and then goes on to other business. And for the next hour or two, he's sending orders out, assessing casualty returns. And the German commander, representative who's come to Bastogne blindfold, then sort of says, "Hang on, I've been here 2 hours. Can we have an answer?" And McAuliffe realises he's got to do something. And he turns to his chief of staff, who's later a brigadier general in Vietnam, and says, "How do I answer these guys?" And the chief of staff says, "Well, sir, your first comment seemed to be most appropriate." "What the hell did I say?" He said, "Sir, you said nuts." And so that was the note, one word, that was sent back to the German commander. Now, the German commander was a guy called Freiherr von Luttwitz, and in Normandy he'd been commanding the 2nd Panzer Division. So we've met him before. Now, he is a character straight from Hollywood Central Casting. Because he has a sort of hair condition a bit like mine. He's quite portly. He's sort of poured into his uniform. He has a Knight's Cross at the neck, and of course, being Hollywood, he has to wear a monocle. He does for living. So this is Freiherr von Luttwitz. He's a Freiherr, so he's a baron, so he's absolutely every stereotype you can imagine of an old Prussian general. And probably a sabre scarf. And basically, he's run out of ideas. He's got to get into Bastogne. He can't keep going around the side because the defenders are defending the side. What he needs is quick routes through. So he tries to bluff the Americans into surrender. So he issues this surrender note, we will completely obliterate you unless you surrender. McAuliffe realises he's got time and resources on his side because he's beginning to be supported by airdrops. So he calls the Germans bluff and he says, "Nuts to you, not interested."
That's a great story.
You can imagine Luttwitz going, however you say that in German, because his bluff's being called and there's nothing else he can say. Nothing else he can do. And imagine his conversation with Hitler. "Why have you not taken Bastogne?" "Well, mein Führer, So that's the story. That's the story of the surrender. You heard McAuliffe's Christmas Day message being read out to Easy Company here by Colonel C. And that's the original little typewritten note that McAuliffe has typed up in his headquarters, which is in town, and we'll go and see that this afternoon, the Heinz Barracks. And that's circulated round. It's many copies are made, and there's an original in the museum. And he sends that note. "What is merry about this Christmas? Well, I can tell you, we've stopped everything that the Germans have thrown at us, and we're still here surviving," and all the rest of it. So a lot of that uses the original documentation and sources